Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you how to make loaded mashed cauliflower. So I mainly made this video for the members of my gym. This recipe is loaded mashed cauliflower. What you will need is 2 heads of cauliflower, heavy cream, unsalted butter, salt and pepper, preferably Himalayan salt, sour cream, your measuring cup, some measuring spoons, cheddar cheese, bacon, and of course need a pot and a pan and a food processor, which is important. Now first, put your hair up and wash your hands. We're gonna start with boiling 4 cups of water. As the water is boiling, you're going to cut up the bacon strips into little pieces or use a food processor and put it on the pan to cook.
Oh my gosh. Are you recording?
So if you know me, you know that I hate vegetables. But this recipe makes me look forward to eating my daily serving of veggies. So you're going to start with cutting the cauliflower into little florets and put them into a drainer. So chop, chop, chop. You're going to add them into the drainer, rinse them off before you add them into the boiling water. Okay, now we're going to add the cauliflower into the boiling water. And be careful, you don't splatter yourself because it is boiling water. You're going to stir your bacon, make sure you don't burn it. And if you have a boyfriend that has OCD, make sure you clean your mess before he has an anxiety attack. Now gather all your ingredients and be ready to stir them up. So first, we're going to put in 3 tablespoons of butter. Get your heavy cream, make sure you shake it really good, and we're going to pour 1/4 cup into the mixture. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of sour cream. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. You can add more or less depending on your taste buds. And we're going to add Himalayan salt. It's normally 1 teaspoon, but I was just lazy to measure it up. And then we're going to stir it up. Alright, now it's time to drain the cauliflower. So put your drainer in the sink and be careful when doing this. You do not want to steam and burn your face. I have learned the hard way on many occasions, so be very cautious. Okay, now we're going to get the mixture ready, and you are going to pull out your food processor. So right now I'm using a Ninja. You can use a Ninja or a food processor. So depending on the size of your processor or Ninja, you're only going to fit partial of the cauliflower and add partial of the mix. You're going to pulse it or chop it up until it turns into a creamy mixture. Once you're done making it mushy, add to a baking dish. You're going to repeat this process until all your cauliflower is gone. So then, after you're done, you're going to add cheese and bacon, and you're going to broil it for 4 minutes.